Hey guys, Lawrence here with Laws of Physio, back with the back pain series, and today we're discussing yellow flags. So, what are yellow flags? Yellow flags are pretty much anything that delays your recovery. So, it could be something physical, like you don't have access to a gym or a physio or any services like that, or it could be anything psychological. So if you have a negative mindset or anything like that at all, okay? The reason we need to know about yellow flags is because it is something that can slow down your rehab, and at the same time it is linked to increased risk of chronic issues, which is issues longer than 3 months time. Okay, so we're just going to go through some yellow flags. So first one is negative thoughts towards pain. So the top one is catastrophizing, which is pretty much when you feel that your little boo-boo is a massive agonizing issue. Okay, so having very negative and very exaggerated thoughts about what your pain are considered a yellow flag, and it can kind of delay you getting better because you're always thinking that you're dying pretty much. Okay, second thing is fear avoidance behaviors. So that is when you purposely avoid doing certain actions because you fear that will trigger the pain or it will exacerbate the pain. So for example, with your back, you always hear people saying, oh, I can't bend over, I can't lift stuff up, I can't twist anymore. So that's you avoiding certain movements and actions because you think it's gonna make you worse. Number 3 is low mood and isolation. So humans are social animals. We need to be around each other, and we live off each other's energy. So if you're in a low mood and you're always thinking negatively about everything, then if you think negatively about pain, it's always going to be painful when you do anything, you know. But if you're around your mates, you know, you can talk things out, you can make jokes with each other, you can just talk about your feelings and your feels, then you can share the burden and you can get better a bit faster. So don't bottle it in, let go of the feels, you know. I think the last thing is lack of accountability. So I see this a lot in the practice. People play the victim. When you play the victim, you don't take any accountability for yourself. Okay, it's always someone else's fault that this has happened to you. You know, it's your work's fault that you have back pain. No, it's your fault. You need to understand that you're the only one that's going to get yourself better. No one else is going to get you better. Okay, so once you understand that the only person who's going to get you better is yourself, that's when you actually start putting in the effort to get yourself better. Okay, a lot of people think that they need to get massaged every day to get better. It helps, feels good, but it's not the thing that will get you better. A combination of therapy and exercise and reconditioning yourself, that's what's going to get you better. Okay, so let's focus on getting you better. So I did kind of hint at it just then. Change your attitude, be a bit more positive. You will get better. I guarantee you, you'll get better. Pain is crap, but if you can share the burden with someone, you can talk it out, create a plan to get better, you will get better. Okay, so give me a bit of feedback in the comments. Let me know if there's any questions you have or any topics I missed or anything like that. Please subscribe if you like what I'm doing. Give me a like, it helps me get a bit of exposure. And I'll catch you guys soon.